welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelby with Mom Life with Shelby. Today's video we are cleaning the bathroom. It's been a little while since we've cleaned it. I'm the only one that uses this aside from Wyatt at bath time, of course, but yeah, I need to organize the counter. I need to clean up the bathtub, and I just want to organize a little bit under the sink as well. So I do have a bit of a before and after shot. I'm going to insert that after the intro. Sorry, not after. I haven't cleaned it yet. So just I have the before shot. Sorry, it's early. I just dropped Wyatt off at daycare, and this is only my second cup of coffee. If you are obsessed with coffee like I am, you understand that the second cup is probably your more productive cup. Okay. Today's video is in collaboration with Beka, so she's over at Magnolia and Pine. I'm gonna have her video linked down below. She does motherhood and cleaning and do-it-yourselves and all that good stuff, kind of like my channel. So if you like my content, head over to her channel and check her out as well. I'm gonna have her linked down below. I'm just gonna insert a little bit of a clip of her channel here now, and you guys can see what she's all about.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What?
So without further ado, we're going to get right into the cleaning video. I'm pretty excited to get back to cleaning a little bit. I live with my parents right now, so there's really not much I can clean aside from my room, Wyatt's room, and the bathroom. I'm sure I could do more. They'd probably be actually pretty happy if I did more, but for right now, this is what I'm kind of taking on, okay? Let's go.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So I've just cleared off the counter. I'm just going to go and clean all of this now, and then spray down the mirror as well.
You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
It's hard to see just how gross it is in here because it's so white, but that's a little better. It really has been a while.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, but still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the
So I just went ahead and wiped down the walls of the tub, and now I've just got the faucet to do.
yeah. Ooh, yeah. I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home.
Okay, so the bathroom is completely done. I do actually want to do the floors, just like a quick Swiffer of them. It's probably been a little bit since they've been done. So I'm going to finish my coffee and then Swiffer the floors, and then I'll do like a complete reveal of what it looks like. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I'm working my butt off, like I'm sweating, so give it a like, please. So I hope you guys really enjoyed my bathroom clean today. Feels really nice and fresh in here, and Wyatt should have a good bath tonight with it being nice and clean, although he pees in it every day anyways. It's also why I wanted to give the front of the tub a really good wash as well, because he pees often before going into the tub. I do have a potty there, but he's terrified to use it. Again, having issues with that, but a bridge I'll cross soon, I suppose. So anyways, if you like this, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out Beka's channel as well. Again, link down below. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.